If you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in Valorant, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation issues. Try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant launcher and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Repair Riot Client. Open the Riot Client, go to Settings, and look for the option to repair the installation. This will check for any corrupted files and attempt to fix them. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall Valorant completely and then download and install the latest version from the official website. This can resolve persistent installation issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error and enjoy playing Valorant without interruptions.